Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Kia Niro brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, open the rear hatch to get clear access to the taillight assembly. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Now, let's remove the taillight assembly. You'll find two Phillips head screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should detach with a little effort, revealing the bulb sockets behind it. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock and remove it. Then, simply pull the old, faulty bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's secure. Now, let's put everything back together. Reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone check the brake light to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.